Hey, what's up traders? Before you get into this video, we're running a contest for everybody who likes, comments, and to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, give you free access to my training academy, or if you're already a member of the academy, then a free strategy session with me, 30-minute phone call, get ironed out whatever part of your trading game you need help with. And so like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, and enjoy the video. Thanks for your support. Peace. Hey, what's up everybody? So I just want to go over this oil trade that I'm in and that we're in as a group, and Twanza from the group, I just asked you right now what your target was, and so I was like looking at my charts here, and I was like, damn, wow, some stuff is really lining up. So I wanted to go through that and hopefully help whoever's watching this, even if you're not taking this trade, about some technical analysis, how to look for targets, and how I go about it. So I'm really liking this trade setup right now. Let me share my screen with y'all and open this up. We just broke out of here, right? So we've been looking to get past this 5150 level. I've talked about this in the video, the market update video I posted earlier. So we're above this level now. And if we take it down to the 1 hour, there's multiple levels here. This is also a scenario where we could set out some kind of fanning trend lines if we wanted to look for our targets. This definitely looks like a potential possibility for the next one. But what I'm looking at here is that we've broken out multiple times. Now this is the Asian session, so let's keep that in mind. Because you never know as far as the Asian session goes. But that being said, we broke out the first time and we broke out the second time here, and so this is starting to look pretty bullish, which is exciting. And then here, if we go to our 4-hour chart and just looking at like this, it looks like an inverted head and shoulders setting up, right? So man, this is starting to look better. I don't want to get too excited yet, but I've already moved stop loss to entry and a good chunk of my positions. And I was thinking about, should I take some profits before I go to bed tonight? But I'm going to let it run, see what happens. Hopefully I don't wake up kicking myself about that, but that's trading. So here we are, and now I'm looking at my targets, and let me just move all of this stuff from when I was setting this up before. And so we have this massive, huge sell-off that happened in 2018. I remember this vividly because I was trading it, and so we had this massive sell-off here. And so with a move like that, I'm going to set my Fibonacci's here for long-term Fibonacci levels. And so you can see where we've matched up here, and essentially we are bouncing off the 23.6. We broke down below it, and this could also be, this seems to be the theme for the past few weeks, a false breakdown. Like false breakouts and false breakouts breakdowns have been everywhere in the market. And so we could potentially have false breakdown that broke down below the support and then move back up. And we also have on the weekly chart here, we're pretty well supported because we dropped down to this lower trend line here. Now there is also, I'm just mapping out all our scenarios now. If we set our weekly here, you can see we're starting to set up in a potential triangle. Now, is it going to play out here? Are we going to go to 65? Now, that would just be crazy, insane. And you know, it would just be epic if I could hold it that long, right? But now we can see that we have these levels here. It is definitely a triangle. Would we go that high? Is the stock market going to keep ramping higher? We'll see. So, but that's on a weekly chart. So let's rewind and zoom in a bit and check out what's going on now. So this is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of this huge high here to the low. Now, this in itself is an excellent target because we're bouncing off the 23.6. And we also have, if we were to draw a trend line from this fractal across this demand zone, this would seem to be pretty in line with, you know, a retest of that trend line. It also would come in pretty close at 38.2. Now, what really sealed the deal for me when I looked at this on my own was now the move that just occurred from this false breakout to the low we just hit. The 38.2% retracement matches up perfectly. So that comes in at 55.5. So I think as tempted as I am going to be to hold it to the, you know, to this 23.6 and take profits, I think this is going to be a great upside target. And then, you know, we have long term, if we were to make it, this trend line. We know it's there. We know we have our long-term target, but I think this is going to be a good play. And just for the sake of it, since we're out here on the weekly, and I'm curious now, let's see what happens when we go from this high to the low. Not too much, but man, you can really see where those levels did get really, really, really respected. So now we have 38.2 at 57. So potentially to 57. But I think just for the sake that that we got these both levels coinciding and matching up perfectly, you know, that's going to be a great place to take some profits. And then, you know, maybe we do go higher and we get some sort of bounce or a dip to buy back into. So this setup has some very, very good potential. You know, it's going to be a roller coaster going into Friday, that's for sure. So let's see if this can pick up some momentum and pick up some steam. So hope you found this video helpful. I'm going to get some sleep and I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace.